you need to make a little gimmick. Okay, really simple. All you need just first just to playing card. Okay, you just take any card, and first you need to cut about here. Okay, with scissor. Okay, let me show you. Okay, like this. Okay, all you need just a piece of card like this, and you just stick these pieces to another card. Okay, so you just place these pieces right here. Okay, and you just stick them together. Use scotch tape. Okay, like this. See, like this. So your gimmick is look like this. Okay, you just stick these pieces with scotch tape, and this is your gimmick. Okay, you can make it in a second. And the next thing you need, of course, paper. Okay, you can use any paper. Okay, at this I use a sticky note. Okay, but you can use any paper and with any color, and you can write anything. And the size, make sure it's the same size with the piece right here. Okay, so don't bigger than your piece right here. Okay, and you just take any card, and you just stick this message to your card. Okay, you just place it maybe about here. Okay, now to from this first, okay, of course you just need your gimmick, place it on top, and you just place your card with your message, okay, on top of your gimmick, and you just fold these pieces, and this is the setup. Okay, so your message is already right here, and you just cover it with these little pieces of your gimmick, and you are ready to go. And to make the message appear, all you do, you just wave your hand from the front. Okay, this will happen, and after that you just place your thumb, okay, about here, and you just slide, okay, the card like this until they are separate like this. Okay, after that you just move the front and slide like this. Okay, so one more time. Okay, just place right here. Okay, and cover. Okay, come. Okay, here you just slide back. At the same time you can show like this. Okay, but in this time the card is already, and after that, okay, without the cover is like this, you just place the card like this and slide your hand. Okay, so one more time. Okay, here. Okay, show your hand empty, come. Okay, just slide. Okay, till they are separate, come and reveal. Okay, one more time. Here. Okay, show, come. Okay, you can do it slowly. Here. Okay, slide back. Okay, show a little bit, come and reveal. So one more time. Ready? Is come. Okay, it's completely visible. Okay, you can do any move. Okay, it's like this. Maybe you can take something from the air and put it right here. You come again. Okay, do the move. Okay, and just reveal. Okay, after that, yep, you can show it. The card is completely examinable, and of course, if you want it, you can just fill up the paper, and you can give it to your spectator. Okay, remember this is versatile. You can write any message right here. That's it.